Kami sa kilometer 40 sa Sigsag, lagpas pa sa Sigsag. Sinubukan namin, ito yung pinaka malayo namin na narating simula kami lang tatlo at si Rodman sa likuran. Ito na kami, pauwi na kami ng city. Mga 30 kilometers pa, ay 23. Aleo. Yan sinasabi ko kayo. Han? Ayan? Plaza mana? Anong lugar to? O saan? Anong oras na dyan, pre? Ha? Anong oras na dyan? 6:30. Makarating tayo sa city mga
6:15, 7:15. 7:30. Tama, 7:30.
Si CD Maaliw. Ito si Judalo.
Ready!
Para malakas. Nasaan yung kasama natin? Nasa dulo pa. Relax na mga gabi na. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Ito yung malalangap mo dito, yung mga fresh air. Di katulad sa syudad na puro usok. Malangap po usok dito sa amin. Very fresh air na ma-intake mo. Kaya yung mga Tagalusina dyan, si CD, mate, punta ka dito, mate. Bike tayo. 80 kilometers yung kuha namin ngayon. Back and forth. Hanggang dito na lang, at saka ipakita na lang namin yung mga pictures namin mamaya pagdating.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here and scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking